Homemade bread. Check that out. Isn't that nice? It's got an egg wash on top. Gives it that shiny look. Nice. Oh, it smells so good. Homemade bread. I brought one with me tonight. Still smells like it's just freshly brewed, or baked. Oh, anyway, I love bread. And I especially love it when the house smells like freshly baked bread. You know, I've always enjoyed the smell of a bakery, the smell of bread baking, and just, I've always just loved that. If you want to make your home very, very inviting, turn on that oven and bake some bread, because man, it makes your house smell good. In my opinion, there's nothing better than home-baked bread. All kinds of bread. This one happens to be like a dinner roll. Very, very good. One thing that, one of my other videos was about saving money, doing things in a way to cut down your expense, your cost, right? Your monthly cost. Baking bread at home. If you were to go out and buy really good baked dinner rolls, who knows how much they are? I don't know. But anyway, would they be this good? Would they be nice, homemade, right? Would they smell that good? Man, wow. Would they look that good? And that's dry. It's not sticky. The egg wash was put on there during the process of baking, I guess. And I don't know, I just had to talk about dinner rolls. I just had to talk about them because they're good. I love them. And if you're making your meals at home and taking them to work with you, and you get that cost savings from taking your own lunches with you. One thing that'll make your coworkers jealous is whipping out some good smelling home-baked bread. I think everybody needs to find some recipes, whether it be family recipes or something you found on the internet or in a cookbook or something you mix up on your own. Like a lot of people just try to throw things together and see what happens, and that's the way they learn. That's the way I used to learn. But I've never made good bread like this. All right. I really, really, really want to bite into this. Really, really, really. I really, 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 really want to bite. Oh man. Wow. I took a big chunk out of it. This would be really good. Heat it up, like zap it in the microwave for about 15 seconds, and then smear some butter on it. Now butter with, in my opinion, garlic salt would be perfect on this. Some people like to stay away from the salt. Some people don't like garlic, but I love garlic butter on my dinner rolls. Man. Ugh. And then wash it down with a cup of tea. Man. How many of you cook your own food? How many of you cook your own breads? Make a comment down below. Give me a thumbs up if you like home-baked bread. Subscribe to my channel. I'll talk about all kinds of stuff. Oh man, that's good. Mmm. 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 That's good. Wow. Mmm. 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 Homemade bread. Mmm. Wow. Hmm.